Hey everyone, it's June 26th, World Drug Day. This day isn't just about raising awareness. It's a global call to action to create a healthier world free from drug abuse. Drug use can affect anyone, regardless of background. But today, let's focus on hope and solutions. We can overcome this challenge together. We can. World Drug Day highlights three key areas for a balanced approach. Science is power. Research helps us understand addiction better, leading to new evidence-based treatments and prevention strategies. Cooperation makes a difference. Governments, communities, healthcare professionals, and individuals all have a role to play. Sharing knowledge and resources is crucial. Building resilience. Supporting people in recovery is essential. Building their strength helps them overcome addiction and create a fulfilling life. Now, here's how you can contribute. Educate yourself. Learn about the dangers of drug use and the signs of addiction. Spread awareness. Talk openly with friends and family about drugs. Challenge stigma. Support recovery. Be there for someone struggling with addiction. Show empathy and encourage them to seek help. Remember, you're not alone. There are resources available. The United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, UNODC, the World Health Organization, WHO, local addiction treatment centers and support groups. Society, on World Drug Day, let's deliver a powerful message. Addiction doesn't define someone. Let's break the stigma and focus on building a world where everyone has the opportunity to heal and thrive. We can create a future where support is readily available, where prevention is prioritized, and where recovery is celebrated. Let's make a difference. Today and every day. Say no to drug use and addiction. Let's create a healthier world together.